Hello friends, today we will be making Kadai Paneer. Before I start cooking, let me tell you little bit about myself. My name is Vikas Kirni. I am a software professional. I do cooking for fun. The aim of this channel is to motivate professionals to cook their food themselves so they can cook a healthy food, they can cook food of their choice. We will be sharing lot of tricks, tips on this channel. Do subscribe to this channel. What are the main ingredients of Kadai Paneer? Of course, you need paneer cubes. We're gonna thick slices of onions, green capsicum, tomatoes, ginger garlic, and oil. You can put oil of your choice. I'm going to use mustard. So let me first cut capsicum. So we are going to cut the big seed portion of the capsicum so that our capsicum is thin and easy to cook. We're gonna make some small slices and dices of that capsicum. So generally, kadai kadai the refers to a thick, heavy Indian wok traditionally made of iron. This dish is cooked entirely in the kadai at high heat, which gives it that rusty, smoky flavor. I am going to use a pan since I live in America. So generally you don't use any cashew gravy, but since I have some cashew gravy, I'm going to use in the end. So here I'm cutting paneer into small dices. One trick is always cut vegetables in equal sizes so it's easy to cook. Otherwise, if some part will be cooked faster, other will be uncooked. So here I'm making small slices of the onion. So we are going to cook onion and capsicum together. So one thing kadai paneer is about is it is believed to have been it is believed to have evolved from Punjabi dabas. So I have cut my ingredients. The ingredients are ready. Now I am roasting uh, the coriander seeds and cumin. Since I didn't have dried red chilies, I'm using black pepper. So we are going to roast until it's aromatic. We have to make sure it is not burned. After it's roasted, we are going to crush it into powder. We're gonna use it later. So it is roasted. Now I'm gonna take it out and crush it separately. So I have put some mustard oil for lightly frying my paneer. I'm going to fry the both sides of paneer in this oil. So as I was discussing, this kadai paneer evolved from Punjabi dabas. Truck drivers, farmers, and travelers needed food that was quick to cook, high on flavor, and filling without be heavy. So paneer was the easy source, spices were available, and the kadai could handle high flame cooking. So that's why kadai paneer tastes best when it is slightly charred, spicy, and not overly smooth. So I have lightly fried my shallow fried my paneer. I'm taking paneer out of the pan. Kadai paneer was never meant to be fancy. It was meant to be satisfying. So now I'm shallow frying my uh, capsicum and onions. One fun fact is most of the restaurants don't use ready-made masala for kadai paneer. They grind it fresh because coriander releases oil when it's freshly crushed. So as we as you saw me roasting, and now we are building the base of our kadai paneer. So we going to fry our onions till they are golden brown, and then we are going to add garlic ginger paste. Also, we're going to add at this point half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt, mm, according to your liking. I put 1 spoon, and of course our masala which we prepared crushed separately. So I have added in our base the capsicum, onion and paneer. Let it cook for 2-3 minutes, and then you can garnish with it fresh cream. I you can garnish it with ghee or butter. I already had a I had made some cashew cream with milk, so I'm going to garnish it with that cream. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. We'll be cooking a lot of food and sharing a lot of tricks and tips. Thanks for watching.